care a little bit to share a bit more about your excitement for today?
Yeah, I'm really excited about, having to be out here and, work and do all this
Sounds so
crap,
excited.
No. EVR 2023, freaking awesome, man. We're getting everything set up. It's about time for everybody to start having a ball. We've been working on this, getting this range set up all week long. Been working on a lot earlier than that, longer than that, a couple weeks redoing targets. Now we're out here getting this set up. It's coming down to the time where we get to have our fun watching you have your fun. That made the whole change.
So tell me a bit more about yourself, who you are and what you're shooting today.
Van Tucker, born and raised here in Arizona, shooting the Daystate Red Wolf high power 25 cal. And I don't know, I shoot the 34 grains at about 950, something like that. But it worked for me yesterday. I was in the top 10. I'm just hoping to keep it in the paint today. It's pretty windy.
What are you shooting today?
My name's Dustin Harding. I work for Athlon Optics. I'm shooting a Delta Wolf. This is a pretty slick little gun, built-in chronograph, regulated through the buttstock here. It's 22 caliber. I'm shooting, or 30 caliber. I'm sorry, 30 caliber for the Extreme Benchrest at 75. Shooting the JSB 44.75 pellets. Yeah, it's gonna be a good time. I'm excited.
How's the competition been so far?
It's been fun. The wind's tough, especially if you're down the right side. I was down there yesterday and it tore me up a little bit, but flags are looking good. The wind's strong, but it's steady, so excited.
Good stuff and good luck.
Thank you.
Okay, today is the second target for 75 meter or 75 yard. I shoot today 22 caliber and redesign 965.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Okay, my name is Andy Gonzalez, also known as Pepe. Pepe Gets It Done. And I'm with PAD, Precision Airgun Distribution. And y'all need to be here. EBR 2023. If you didn't come this time, come next time. It's bad A.
I'm Fadi Kiwan. I'm from Lebanon. I am a Daystate BRK shooter. I won the World Championship in WRABF in Pilsen at 50 meters. And now I am competing in EBR, Arizona, and 75 yards, 100 yards, and in the one gun challenge. So wish me luck.
Hi, my name is Lauren, and I'm shooting in Daystate Red Wolf in a PRS chassis. I have a Collis K1050 on here. This is my second card of the 75 yard, and the first card went okay-ish. Currently I'm sitting in 5th in my relay, so the top 10 go through, but I'm definitely in it to win the money tomorrow. So if I make the final, I'm gonna give it my all for sure.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Maybe it's worse, maybe it's 20.
And how did it go?
We'll see. I think I dropped anywhere from 22 to 25, depending on how they plug that sucker. Punch it real hard and give me a big score, so we'll see. I just want to make it to the show. That's all I want to do at this point. So we'll see.
Good stuff.
Hit some 10s that I didn't think would happen. 1, 2, 3.
Congratulations, Fadi, on second place on the Extreme Benchrest, 100 yards. Tell me a little bit more of how it went, and yeah, just more about your experience.
Thank you. Hello guys. I'm Fadi Kiwan from Lebanon. I won the one gun challenge and I came second in Extreme Benchrest 100 yard. It was so tough, a little bit windy, tricky wind, but it was really beautiful. It's paradise for air gunners here. EBR all the way. Thank you.
Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your test time, your time to shake the dust off, this one is not going to count.
So that's a wrap for the 2023 Extreme Benchrest. It was tons of fun and a massive experience for me. I just want to give a big thanks to Daystate and Airguns of Arizona for making it possible for me to be here. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.